Students, now we will see that what are the values of community organization. The most important value of community organization is the dignity and worth of the individuals. That every individual has worth and is of respect and dignity. Trust the individual's potentialities and for managing their own life through utilization the resources. Our trust should be built up on the individual's capacity, capability to manage their problems and to resolve their issues through the utilization of the community resources. Another important value is the freedom of expression. This is the fundamental right which can be given to all the individuals of the community. That is the freedom of expression. They should have the liberty to talk about their views, their ideas, and their opinion should be welcomed in the process of community organization. And then the great capacity for growth within all social beings. This is the fundamental belief of the community organization that there is a great capacity for growth among all the individuals of the community. And then this is another fundamental value of the community organization, that the basic needs of the individuals of the community should be met, and the fulfillment of life should not be blocked in any case. And then the need for the individual to struggle and strive to improve one's own life and environment. Then this is also another important value on which the concept of social organization is based. That this is the fundamental right of the individual to be provided help at the time of crisis, disasters, and at the time of need. The importance of social organization for which the individual feels responsible and which is responsive to individual feelings. This is a reciprocate way that the social organization, the process of social organization, the method of social organization should be responsive towards the individual needs, and the individuals should also play their role in the social organization of the community. The need of a social climate which encourage individuals' growth and development, and that social environment should be provided to all the individuals where they can use their potential, their capabilities for the growth, for their own growth, and for the growth of their environment. The right and responsibility of the individuals to participate in all the affairs of their community, that all the individual should be given a democratic right to participate in the process of the community organization or at all levels of identification of the problems or planning the course of action for the solution of the problems. And there should be a freedom of expression. There must be a community dialogue between all the social actors within the community through conferences, through having meetings, and through the consultation between all the individuals of the community. And the most important value of the social organization is the self-help as the essential base of any program of community organization.